Hey everybody, Angie here. Sorry I haven't posted much lately, just been kind of busy. I finally got this little chunky journal finished. It measures 6 this way by 4.5 this way, not really counting the rounded spine here. This is the back and the front, and it's kind of three-dimensional there. This has been a work in progress for 2 months almost. I have the front covers here with a pocket on the inside, and then just a few little pieces of ephemera and pockets. Not a whole lot. This is mostly meant to be a writing journal. That's why lots of extra little tuck spots. This is just a tab that I made with my envelope punch board, and I just layered and collaged on top of it. This is a little flip out. This isn't anything, it's just kind of to help it be a little more substantial when it flips out. Here's a couple of tags in here, and they're both backed on this grungy paper. I try to utilize a lot of my nature stamps because I've been collecting a lot of them. And this is a Tim Holtz Sizzix texture folder. I forget what it was called. It was just a ticket. You guys could have seen a video of me putting it together if I could have kept my cat off of the thing. When I say the thing, all of it. I have some of these coin envelopes in here, along with some more little pieces of ephemera, little tags. There's a tag that goes in here. Probably one of my favorite ones. And these are just collages, like a masterboard. And then I added some bits of faux age tape and some extra stamping and stuff afterward. Now I've made this to where it can lay flat by adding some decent space between these with the rounded spine between the signatures. This is a pocket. You can put something in here. I don't really have anything, but there's a pocket there. This is an envelope. And then some more tags and another coin envelope. And another file folder tab made from the envelope punch board. Some more tags. I just used the alphabet stamps and stamped out butterfly to put on there, because I don't have the word butterfly anywhere in any of my stuff. So here is another pocket here, and then here is a pocket that's clear on that side. You pull that out. It's pretty paper on the background. Here's another collage tag. I really like that one too. And then you've seen this flip. I've made it before. I showed it to you guys. I did not put a tag in here yet. I guess I could put that in there. And then in here, let me see if I've got a piece of paper. There's another spot for a tag there. And then this is just writing space. There's a place there. And this key is holding this. Although I think I probably prefer it to be, I think I need a bigger one of these. Anyway, that folds open to become some writing space. I put a couple of the little stamped out tags in there. There is a tag space here, or pocket here. And then when you turn it over, there's a flip here, and then a little pocket there, and a little corner tuck there. And then or towards the end, again, I use my stamps to put the word oak for the acorns there, and then just another tag with some, that was a ticket and some numbers, and another pocket back here with some mushrooms. And that is it. I haven't put a closure on this yet. I don't know if I will, but yeah, I've really enjoyed making this one. I wish I would have had more time to devote to it and got it done quicker. I find it extremely pretty. So anywho, thanks for watching, and take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.